Welcome to next session of data structures. So in this video we are going to discuss how to display the data elements from the linked list. So this is display the linked list so we have one linked list. This is simple linked list. This is null, some 3000, 2000 and 1000, 1, 2, 3. This is 3000, this is 2000, right? This is linked list, this is head part. Now I need to display the linked list data. If I want to display the linked list data, we have to check from head node to last node, so that while head of next should be null, we have to scan up to head of next should be null. Head of head not equal to null, both are same. If head not equal to null, then print the data of the head of data. Once you print this one, shift the head part, head equal to head of next. Next control goes to here. Next, head of head not equal to null, this is not equal to null, print this one, 1. Next, shift head equal to head of next. Next head is here, and second not equal to null, 2. Next one, head equal to head of next up to here, right? So head of data next, head equal to head of next up to here. And one more method is that while head not equal to head of next not equal to null, if it is null, printf %d head of data, then shift the head part, head equal to head of next. Once you head of next not equal to null, right? Not equal to null, so that to print the data head of next not equal to null, print the head of next equal to null. Even though this is null, when it is null, control goes to outside the loop, so that print the last part also, head of that, right? So this is how to print the linked list data items. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel.